What did you say at the houses? You said trick or treat?
Trick or treat.
Trick or treat! And what else? Happy Halloween?
Happy Halloween.
Good job. You're so silly. And what else? Do you say boo?
Boo.
Boo. Because you're Boo, right? Are you Boo? And who was I?
Who's I?
You were Boo and Mommy was?
Sully.
I was Sully, yeah.
The Mommy, sorry.
I was Sully and Nina was Boo. You still are Boo. You got your costume on.
I got you on.
Yeah.
Ooh, costume.
Yeah. Can you say trick or treat?
Treat.
Good job. You're silly. Oh, my sweet girl. Oh, Aunt Chelsea's gonna love that. Okay.